So $5, guys, all the way to 17 US dollars. But I'm still gonna hold it. I'm still gonna hold it for sure. You know what I'm saying? So up to 25 have been made like 1,000 US dollar. But I was like, you know what? I just wanna flip this $5. You know what I'm saying? Just $5. I had, I was actually trying to see if this broker can can be able to deposit $5. You know what I'm saying? Then I deposited $5 just to make sure if it's gonna take it. Yo, what's up, gang? I'm back with another video, guys. As you can see, guys, $4, guys, all the way to 17 US dollars. You know what I'm saying? Guys, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Only $4, guys. $4.97 all the way to 17 US dollars. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how I took this trade, because guys, what I'm about to explain to you right now, in order to make money in forex market, you don't need to have a big capital. You can start with a small money. You know what I'm saying? Start with a small money, and then you grow your account, and after you grow your account, you will be able to be flipping with a big lot size, since you started with a small amount, which means you have nothing to lose in the market, because all you got it from the market. So this, it's always happened when you have a good broker. You know what I'm saying? The broker that doesn't have a big spread, the broker that would allow you to deposit a small money, starting from maybe $10, $20, $50, something like that. You know what I'm saying? Because some brokers, they're gonna tell you like, yo, in order to start the business with me, you must start deposit with 200 US dollars. You know what I'm saying? But guys, when you have a good broker, you can start with any amount. So you're not going to struggle like, yo, how am I going to start, because I don't have no capital. Guys, I think $10 is very easy to get it, even if you're struggling. You know, say $10 is not that too much money for it. You can start with $10, you know, say, and then you start practice, even though you might be still beginner. You're running when you're also on real account. It's going to help you. It's going to help you, focus too much. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? If you need the broker that I'm using, the link is on description below. You can deposit starting from $10. $10. You can deposit any amount, even $5, $7, $10, because what I like about this broker, bro, I think they want everyone to to be in a business. You know what I'm saying? To be in a business. As you can see here, I grow this $4 all the way to $17, and then after I log this profit, I'm gonna be able to grow this amount easily to $50, and after I'm on $50, I'm gonna be able to grow $50 to $100. $100, I'm gone. I'll be on 500. I'm no longer a friend. You know what I'm saying? I'm no longer a friend, bro. I'm gonna take one trade and then flip the account all the way to 2K. You know what I'm saying? Easy like that. So all you need, guys, is a good broker for sure. So you wanna use him? Check the link on the description. So let me show you guys the reason why I took this trade. Now I show you guys everything. I don't wanna hide everything from you guys, for sure, for real. I don't wanna hide anything for you guys, because you guys, you my friend. You know what I'm saying? You guys, you my friend. You know what I'm saying? So let me show you the reason why I took this trade. You know what I'm saying? This is the reason why I took the trade. All right. First of all, guys, I found this trade on a 1 hour time frame. I'm not gonna lie, and this is going to be is a new way of using this strategy, for sure. This is the new way. If you're watching this video, you like it, for sure. You like it, because I've been practiced this for many days, because yo, let me show you the thing that I've been practicing about the strategy that I'm using, the mobile strategy. As I said to you guys, I'm using a mobile strategy, but I also make sure I pay attention on price action. Price action. You know, I say price action. So this is the first reason that I took this, made me take this trade. First, guys, you can see that the strategy right here, the strategy right here says that it's already on level level 8, which is a strong, it's a strong buy. You know what I'm saying? But as I said to you guys, as soon as the strategy shows you that it's already reached level 8, it doesn't mean you need to enter the market immediately. You need to pay attention as well on you need to pay attention as well on the main chart. I mean on chart on main chart. You know what I'm saying? On price action. So after the market has showed me that it's already reached at this level 8 right here, then I was like, okay, cool, that's the first confirmation. All right, so I need more confirmations in order to enter the market. So the second confirmation was this. You know what I'm saying? You can see here, I did pull up my zone right here. The market has been bouncing at this zone right here. You know what I'm saying? As you can see here, let me zoom out so that I can see. As you can see here, as you can see here, guys, this is very clear. As you can see here, the market is been bouncing at this zone. You know what I'm saying? The market has been bouncing at this zone. As you can see, the market did bounce at this zone for the first time right here, and then went at this point to the zone, dropped, and bounced at the zone for the second time. You know what I'm saying? And drop a little bit at this point. But once the market was dropping right here, bro, it just gave us the rejection candlestick right here. Says that, yo, this is time for me to go up with a bigger speed. And this was my first confirmation, my second confirmation that, yo, you know what, the market now is about to shoot up. You know what I'm saying? The market is about to shoot up. Let me show you. That was like, yo, the market is about to shoot up. Why? Because you can see this rejection right here, candlestick. And after this rejection candlestick, remember I had also another confirmation that the market is, it's already at level 8 right here, which means it was already break level 20 buying. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't enter because I wanted more confirmations, more confirmations. The second confirmation was this one, the rejection candlestick. And the third one made me enter the market. It's where the market break out the zone. Then I was like, hey, yo, bro, you know what? I'm gonna handle you. And then I took my position right here. $4, bro. $4, bro. I was like, yo, you know what? I wanna flip this $4. You know what I'm saying? I wanna flip this $4. And my attention, it was, I'm gonna flip this $4 all the way to $25. Guys, it's not hit the TP8 and then draw and then give me the profit. I was happy, and then dropped. Yo, I was like, oh my god, my $4 is gone. You know what I'm saying? And dropped right here. But you know what I'm saying, guys, always when you see the market drop, break out at the zone, always expect something like this. This is always coming back. It will always come back to the zone to give you an definitely. You don't have to enter here. This is the truth. You have to enter here, but because sometimes, bro, the market will show you this kind of stuff like, yo, I'm breaking out the zone, but it's gonna go, will never come back to the zone. So once you get the opportunity, bro, take a risk. You know what I said? Take a risk. You know what I said? Take a risk. Because without taking risk, bro, you'll never make it, for sure. Then I was like, yo, listen, you know what? Because I know it's still gonna come back, let me enter you. You know what I said? I entered here. And I put in my stop loss was somewhere here. So now I'm going to shift my stop loss. And after that, the market give me the pullback right here and bounce. You know what I'm saying? And bounce. So this is what happened. You can see, guys, now I'm in a deep profit. You know what I'm saying? If I could enter with my spray that I'm using today, I would be in 1,000 US dollar at the moment as we speak. I would have been made like 1,000 US dollar. But I was like, you know what? I just wanna flip this $5. You know what I'm saying? Just $5. I had, I was actually trying to see if this broker can be able to deposit $5. You know what I'm saying? Then I deposited $5 just to make sure if it's gonna take it. And this is my recommendation to you. You can use this broker if you really know that you out of your capital, you don't have a big capital. You can use this broker right here. I'm gonna left the link on description, and then you're gonna use him. You will see, you will enjoy him for sure. So this is was the reason why of me trading this $5 account. You know what I'm saying? Just because I was trying to deposit $5 to my broker. Easy like that. So $5, guys, all the way to 17 US dollars. But I'm still gonna hold it for sure. You know what I'm saying? So up to 25, and then I'll take my profit and I'll flip it again, guys. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna flip this account. I'm gonna flip 25, guys, too. You will see everything. You know what I'm saying? We don't play, man. You know what I'm saying? So join the team, man. You know what I'm saying? The link is always on the description below. You know what I'm saying? Let's go kill the market together. So this was the reason why I took this entry. As you can see how the zone looks like, it was so beautiful entry. And you can also see the strategy right here. This strategy, guys, we buy when the market is at the level 8, and we sell when the currency reached at level 90 right here. Then we sell. So if you want to know more about the strategy, you know, say leave it a comment below. Let me know if you still guys want it, or if you don't want to bother yourself, you can check my previous video and then go get this strategy. I already shared all the settings for the strategy. Or if you still want it, I can give to you guys. Since you left the comment below like, yo, I need the strategy, the mobile strategy, then I'm gonna make it for you again, guys. I'm here for you guys. So peace, guys. Have a good day. This was the reason why I killed this market. So I hope you're going to enjoy this a lot. Peace, guys. Enjoy. Have a great day. Boom.